Thank you very much. My personal information I will say is my name is Payal Parekh. As you know, my spouse name is Jaiman Parekh. He is my mentor and my friend also. He is a proprietor of Jai Silver Art Jewelers. I have one children. His name is Vardhan. He is 7 years old. He loves to play, learn new things, interesting in coding and computer also. My birthplace is Kolkata. I'm from Kolkata. My hobbies would be I love to reading, learning new things. I will connect when I get new things, and yes, when I get the time, I will take the meditation. Activities and the topic of interest are Vastu, numerology, and yes, share market also, digital marketing, and yes, where I get the logic, I find the interest. Thanks. Yes. Professional information, business name, Jai Silver Art Jewelers, year of business as a gold and silver 40 years we have, ancestor business it is, and I am dealing as a Vastu analyst from last 3 years. My business descriptions would be I am a Vastu, it gives Vastu consultancy and providing service through remedial products such as Yantra, Pyramid, Crystal, Rantra, and that all are certified. I have a previous job and worked as an HR coordinator in Tata Steel Limited, distributor sector for 3 years. My education qualification is BCom and I am MBA in HR, and yet I am certified as a Vastu expert. My skill is in professional level, it would be no definition of any Vastu or structure with scientific spiritual reason. And if professional, I am very good listener, learner. I am a multitasker, good in management, and a very simple person. Circle of influence, yes, club, NGOs and organization, yet only Sampark I have as a circle influence, but want to socialize myself more. I have a strong network with jewelers, interiors and business traders. Communities like a strong connect with jewelers, communities and Mumbai Institute of Vastu Shastra, and I would connect with Gujarati Samaj community and traders. My goals are one of the most important goal is being a successful and renowned Vastu analyst. And second is most important, I like to have a happy client and happy people around me. This is also one of my goal, and make the world better place with the help of ancient Shastra and aware the knowledge of our Shastra. We can use our Shastra and we do our life much better by knowing our Shastra. So this is my goals, and one of the most important goal is my other goals would be accomplished once one being attained by me. Many other goals to be accomplished once one is being applied. Yes, accomplishments are many. My accomplishments are happy and satisfied client, which I accomplished through my services. You can reach us on Google, Just Dial and FB. I have 50 plus clients in lockdown. In lockdown, I have given online Vastu consultancy to many clients in all over India. My 3 best customers are, all my clients are my customer. Well, if I refer the people who are facing problem from financially, emotionally, in health issues, any problem can be resolved through Vastu Shastra. It is also progeny problem. It can be also solved through Vastu Shastra. And also, if you are not getting any result after many efforts, it can be solved through Vastu Shastra. I have a customer from commercial level who want to set up industry, corporate offices, shops in any streams, whether medicine or sweets. I have referred your medicine or sweets is because medicine is a thing. When you eat more sweets, you get to have a medicine. So I have referred medicine or sweets. So in any streams, and who want to make home better place, whether owned or residential. Yes, architects also, interiors and real estate. I want to be a customer from real estate also. My referrals are no demolition of any structure or Vastu, make life more prosperous through ancient tradition and modern techniques, good coordination and harmony through proper Vastu tips, sustaining all over success for professional and peacefulness to all. Main aspects are providing wealth, prosperity, success, health, and overall progress. Educational and academic progress through Vastu Shastra, and any problem related can be solved. My contact sphere businesses are interior, architects, jewelers. Any persons are in healing, Reiki, astrology sector, real estate, and infrastructure sector also. Customer I would like to have is any person facing problem in their life which I can resist to Vastu Shastra. I want to connect myself here to interiors of Sampark. I want the customer from interior sector of Sampark, and I want to connect myself to the interior of Sampark, and architects also. I want to connect myself to architect of Sampark, and from commercial sector and industrial source also I want the customer. Yes, my memory hook is for everyone who are here and everyone who want to make home better place. So my memory hook is, O Lord of Vastu, we pray you with sincerity and serenity, bestow us with peace, prosperity, harmony, good health, and bless our home as a heavenly abode. Thank you. Thank you very much for all the people who are here and visitors also, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself in this place. Thank you very much.